Hey Sammy, this is Greg over here at Boardwalk Motors. Hey, just wanted to shoot that video for the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD diesel with the long bed. Sorry I couldn't get this out to you earlier. It's literally been sideways wind and rain for the past couple days. We finally got a little break in the weather, so I thought I'd run out and shoot this video while I had the chance. Anyway, I'm gonna go over the exterior of the truck. I'll go over the engine compartment, the interior, and also the bed of the truck. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or reply to the email. Hopefully you enjoy the video. All right, Sammy, here is the front of the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. I always start on the passenger front bumper, and I'm gonna do a complete walk around of the exterior so you can see its condition. So here's the front bumper. It all looks really good. Then coming up to the hood, there are a couple little dings in the hood, but nothing that would stop anybody from being interested in owning the truck. Wheels and tires, front driver's side fender. As you can see, it does have the Allison Duramax diesel. I knew that was important to you. Good tire tread. Driver's side, door, rear door, side of the bed. No door dings, no scratching that's visible, nothing abnormal. Again, good tires, good wheels. Coming around to the back of the rear bumper. You know, this year is pre-backup camera, but it does have the rear parking sensors, both on the chrome bumper and down below on the insert. Nice beefy tow package. You have your 7-pin connector. But the only thing I can see is there's a little boo-boo in the paint right here, but nothing again other than that, and the rock chips in the front, nothing that would deter anybody from owning this quality truck. The long bed's nice. You don't got to worry about plywood or 2x4 sticking out of the back of the truck. You can slide the whole thing in, have it all secured. All right, so here's the engine compartment. This is the 6.6 turbo diesel. And it's all there. There's nothing funny going on. There's no aftermarket parts. Nobody's modded anything. They haven't put on any weird air filters or anything abnormal on it. It's all looks exactly the way it should. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you so you can hear how it sounds. All right, so here's how the 6.6 turbo diesel sounds. Nothing abnormal, no knocking or pinging. Everything sounds exactly the way it should. This truck is mechanically, it's in great condition. There's a lot of life left in this diesel. right, so now we're onto the bed of the truck. So it does have the drop-in bed liner, which is really nice. It's the Dura liner. All well and protected, even on the tailgate. All right, so here's the passenger side of the cab of the truck. I'm going to start with the door panels. I like to show the door panels. You can see a lot of how the people took care of the inside of the truck. Usually if there was some abuse, the first indicator of that is door kicks and scuff marks all over the bottom of the door panel here, but this is all in great shape. As you can see, it's all there. It's super clean. The door sills, same way. Has the all-weather floor liners. Here's the front passenger door panel. Does have the power adjustable, looks like it's partly power and then partly manual recline. The back seat is in great condition. Seats fold up. Carpet's in great shape. The the back seat pockets, they're all in great shape too. They're not stretched out or ripped or pulled. Headliner, terrific condition. All right, now we're onto the driver's side, interior of the cab. Here's the rear door. Here's the rear driver's side door. Again, super clean door panels. Carpet of the rear seat. Driver's side door panel. A little bit more wear than the rest, but nothing abnormal. You know, somebody did drive the truck. This is the reason why it's a pre-owned vehicle. But again, no kick marks. The door sill is in great shape. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, but nothing, I mean, the fabric's not ripped. It's not, you know, broken down. Obviously somebody sat in the seat. No stains on the seats. Everything's in great shape. So you have your steering wheel controls, cruise control, stereo controls, your information display settings, four-wheel drive, parking sensor setup, stereo, dual climate control system, driver and passenger. And then above you have your home link and map lights. You also have the auto dimming rear mirror. Well, Sammy, that is the video for the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD four-wheel drive long bed. It's a great truck. I know you'll be very pleased with its condition and the way it drives. Feel free to give me a call with any questions, or if you need more information. You have my phone number, my email. Just go ahead and reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. I know you'll be very pleased owning this truck. It's a great truck and there's a lot of life left in it. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.